Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Procreate brush assets for brand illustrations, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin with, ensure you have your Procreate app open on your iPad. Next, access your brush library within Procreate. Tap on the plus icon located at the top right corner to create a new brush. Select Import to bring in your desired brush asset files. Navigate to the folder where your brush assets are stored. Once you locate the brush files, select them to import. After importing, it's essential to review the brush settings. Make sure to customize any settings that pertain to your personal style. Now, test the brush on a new canvas. Observe how it interacts with your strokes and overall workflow. If the brush does not perform as expected, revisit the settings to make adjustments. To ensure authenticity, always verify the source of your brush assets. Look for brushes from reputable designers or platforms known for quality assets. Check for any licensing agreements that come with the brush files. Understanding the licensing will help you avoid potential copyright issues. Once you confirm the brushes are authentic, start using them in your brand illustrations. Incorporate the new brush styles into your creative projects. Regularly save your work to avoid losing any progress during your illustration process. After creating your illustrations, consider sharing your process as a learning tool for others. This method not only helps you grow as an artist but also builds a sense of community. Lastly, continue to explore and authenticate new brushes as they are released. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.